Hello and welcome back to my channel. On today's episode, I'm unboxing the Walmart beauty box. This is my first time getting this box, so it's still sealed. I just got in the mail. So let's open it up and see what's inside. There you go. Oh, this way. Something minty in there. So the first thing I see is the Hello charcoal toothbrush, which is good because I already used the the toothpaste, so that's perfect because I already used the toothbrush. That works for me. And then we have some coupons and QR code. And let's see, natural vitamin calm magnesium supplement right here. Head and Shoulders Supreme Nourish and Smooth. So my son uses Head and Shoulders, so he'll be using this. And then we have the Hello Natural Whitening Toothbrush or toothpaste. So it comes with the toothbrush and the toothpaste. And then we have Biore Rose Quartz and Charcoal Daily Purifying Cleanser. And the last thing is from NYX. Yay! I actually have NYX on right now. What does it say? This is Everything lip gloss. So that's what I got in my box, and that's so, look how pretty that is. Let's see if I can get this thing off so I can do a swatch. See, I already put lip gloss on before filming. Let's see. Let's just put it on top. Oh, it's pretty. Okay. It's a very light sheen. So it'll look good with like any color. So I get the NYX lip gloss, the Biore Rose Quartz and Charcoal Daily Purifying Cleanser, the Hello Charcoal toothbrush and the toothpaste, the Head and Shoulders, which will go to my son, the Calm supplement, magnesium supplement right here, and then this is a QR code for Walmart for the Calm right there, another QR code right there, and that was everything in my box. And yeah, I'm waiting for my Target beauty box, so when I get that, I will be filming that. And I hope you guys had a good weekend, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.